Hey, I'm Mark, and it's late November. We've had about 2 weeks of really overcast weather. A lot of growing has gone on. We've had a pretty hard freeze last night. I've covered up my potatoes with buckets and plastic. I'm going to be digging those up this afternoon, showing y'all that. You can see the frost and the ice on the plants. I'll see y'all this afternoon. Well, we're just going to pull up the potatoes. See, these are red potatoes. You can see the seed piece that I planted. These are real tasty, even these little small ones. I'll dig around, make sure I didn't miss any. I really got a late start on these potatoes. That's a decent one. I had planted them, but the right time, they just had trouble sprouting for some reason, and they're kind of behind. And I've been covering them for a few days to keep them from the frost, so they'd have a little more time to develop. But really expecting a few more than I got here, but it's enough for put in a bowl of vegetable soup. Well, I didn't get that much. I should have got 3 or 4 times that amount for that length of row. Next year I'll know when I get my organic potatoes, I need to get them a few weeks earlier so that they go ahead and sprout out and right as I put them in the ground. So I won't make that mistake again. And I'll show you where we've been harvesting all the broccoli. I'm harvesting it at this end and slowly working my way down to that end. We're about in the middle right now. I'll be picking that one right there in just a minute. And let me get you a look at the Brussels sprouts. And everything's kind of growing slow. Not getting a lot of sun this time of year, but you can see they're starting to make little Brussels sprouts. And here's some of the lettuce that I've harvested and the little stump sprouting back. I'll be harvesting some of the lettuce way down there in just a few minutes. Again, I plant at this end first and go down to this end. So these are all ready to pick. I should have planted some more romaine. Didn't realize we were going to be eating so much. But maybe 2 rows next year. I've got another row of romaine over there and some more broccoli and a lot of collard greens. I got more collard greens I don't know what to do with. And the cabbage is ready to pick. Several heads. And harvest this head of cabbage. I'm just going to take a knife, cut it off at the base here. Let's see. Pull off these outer leaves. All these big leaves I'll feed to the chickens. And we'll get this piece of broccoli as well. I got a few more I can harvest as well. Well, not a bad little haul for today. We got a nice head of cabbage, a few pounds of potatoes, red potatoes, broccoli, and some romaine lettuce. So we'll see y'all in a couple weeks on another update. Thanks for watching.